Crazier TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We got another custom rig rolling out shop today. I'm talking roll-off XL, big-ass burn box, dual fryer, stainless steel prep table. This is a small package right here, but she's got it all. Let's check it out. Now, this is going to my man, Eric Pickle with Smoked Pickle BBQ. Now, Eric has been a big TMG supporter really since the start of TMG, so Mr. Pickle, we appreciate you, buddy. He's had several TMG pits now at this point, and this may be one of the coolest ones we've done. This is a roll-off XL, so we got 72 inches wide, 36 inches deep with the hog flipper in it. So I'll open her up here, we'll check that out. Gas strut assisted lid here with the hog flipper. So in this orientation here, you can cook on it just as a normal roll-off. Great for chicken, ribs, whole hog, obviously. This really runs well, very easy to run, but we'll get a little more into it. You got the flipping grate. So we got a secondary grate here that comes on and off, so you take it off, throw your hog up there, throw your chickens up there, sandwich it back down so they don't move, then boom, you flip it right over. So that's a really cool add-on there. We also added Cummins. We also added some charcoal trays down here in the bottom. Something a little extra, help keep it clean. Now this is on a custom single axle trailer, 6,000 pound brake axle, custom paint job, that light gray, came out killer. All right, we got our Inferno up next. This is a 30-inch burn box here. First one for this we've done, gonna work really well with that direct heat cooker. Build your fire up here, coals will fall down, shovel them out, dump them in the cooker. We also have another level here for some cooking grates we can put in there if you wanna cook in it. And then of course we got that stainless steel prep station here. This will fold up, you get to all your storage. And I noticed one of y'all commented on one of my videos and said that we should make the front fold down so you can get in there, okay, without having to open the lid when you got all your stuff on it. Said, hey, good idea, buddy. So we've done that. So fold the front down and get inside your storage without having to knock all the crap off your lid. And then up front here, spare tire. On the other side, we have got not one, but two 8.5 gallon triple basket Cajun Fryers. Got your regulators right on the front. Of course, we got that Smoked Pickle BBQ custom logo there. Like I said, dual 8.5 gallon fryers. Hey, big fry guy Pickle is now all of a sudden, which, hey, goes great. I mean, fried stuff, it just goes right along with barbecue, guys. That's how it works. So that is Mr. Eric Pickle's custom rig rolling out the shop today. He's gonna put it to good use this weekend at a TN tailgate. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.